Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to solve circular table seating arrangement questions by using algebra. Guys, in this video, I have dealt with high-level questions which usually comes in competitive exams. The questions, for example, can be 8 boys named ABCD etc. are wearing different colored shirts and we are given combination of both the things and we are asked that to tell their position. This kind of question has been explained in this video. I use basic algebra to solve all these kind of questions, and this trick reduces a lot of headache during my exams. So guys, make sure that you watch this video till the end. Let's get started. Before we begin, I want you guys to please subscribe to our channel so that you get updated about all the amazing videos we post every week. So guys, let's move further. Here we are going to take an example in which there are 8 members sitting in a circular table and the name of 8 members are A, C, E, G, M, J and Y. They are sitting around a round table and they are facing outside. They like certain watches which are Sonata, Titan, Timex, Fast Track, Rolex, Casio, Maxima and Omega. Well, after this, they have given us certain conditions, which are G sits next to the left of M, J is immediate neighbor of Y doesn't sit next to G, N is third left of G, C likes Casio, J and N are immediate neighbors, A sits immediate left to the person who likes Sonata, the person who likes Titan sits between N and from the person who likes Rolex. E doesn't like Omega or Maxima. The person who likes Casio sits between the person who likes Maxima and Omega respectively. E and G are immediate neighbors. M doesn't like Fast Track. N doesn't like Timex or Maxima. So guys, you can take a screenshot of this question or you can look it back to this point so that you remember what the question was. So after this we are going to understand some of the abbreviation and denotions which will help us to get to our trick. So guys, let's move further to understand the rules of our trick. So guys, in order to understand this trick, we are going to make some of the rules or some of the abbreviations so that we can simply write the conditions given to the question as linear equations. So guys, in forthcoming slides, I will be showing you certain kind of conditions and their equivalent equation so that you can understand how to write a particular condition into a mathematical or algebra equation. So like guys, point number 1 is that uh, I'll be denoting the name of the person by capital X and the subscript will be having the name of the person. That means if I want to denote S position of S person, then I will be writing it as X and then subscript there will be S. Similarly, I'll be using capital Y in order to represent the position of any kind of watch, and in the subscript the name of the watch will be given. For example, if I'm talking about the position of Fast Track, then there will be capital Y and in subscript there will be Fast Track. Point number 2 is if people are facing in the center, then the left is plus and the right is minus. You will understand this concept once we jump into the equations. So just keep this in mind. Center left is plus, outwards left is minus, and right goes for vice versa. Let's move further and take some condition to understand this. So guys, let's look into this example in which our condition is G sits second to the left of M. Now here M and G both are facing outwards. So this would mean, as per the following diagram, we can see in the diagram XG is second to the left of M. Now this can be written as G is written as it is said that G sits second to the left of M. So we will be starting with the G. We will write capital X in every subscript G is equal to capital X. In subscript it's M, then minus, because I have told you they are facing outward and left means minus, and we will write 90. Why 90? Because it is written second to the left. Second means 2, and per step is 45, so 45 into 2 is 90. Let's move further to make this example much clearer. Now guys, if we look into this example, this shows that J is immediate neighbor of Y. This is our condition. As per our diagram, if we consider xj as at the top, then either on the left or the right position there could be y. So this could be represented as xj, where j is immediate neighbor of y. So we start with xj is equal to xy plus minus 45. Why plus minus? Because either of them is true. Sorry, I mean one of them is true. Either plus is going to be either xj is equal to xy plus 45 or xj is equal to xy minus 45. So this is how we can write our equation. Remember guys, whatever written outside the circle is the point that we are confirmed of, and whatever is written in the inside is the point which we are doubtful of. Let us now look into this example in which two people sit between S and P. So if we consider XS as the position of XX known one, then P could be either of these two. Now this could be represented as XS is equal to XP plus minus 135. As we can look, the plus 135 could be the one in which which is of the left XP, and minus 135 is the one which will give the right XP, because if we add 135 to the left one, left XP, it would give us to XS, and if we subtract minus 135 from XP of present on the right, it would give XS. So one of these condition is true, so we write such a condition in this way. In this example, the person who wears Titan is between N and the person who wears Rolex. That means if I know the position of Titan, which is written as Y Titan, Y is representing the position of a watch and Titan shows the name of the watch. So either on the left side there could be XN or Rolex, or on the left side there could be XN or Rolex. However, if the left is having XN, then the Y need to have Rolex, and if and vice versa. So this could be written as per the equation given below. In conditions like this, where M doesn't like fast track, this could be simply represented by the figure in which XM is known and Y fast track is denoted by an asterisk representing not present over the line which is joining XM to the center. This could be represented by the equation XM not equal to Y fast track. So guys, I know this is a bit new to the people who haven't heard of this trick, but once you practice through it, you will be very thorough from this kind of trick. So let's take a pen and paper and start writing the equations of the conditions which are given in our question. Let us play forward. So guys, as we have understood all the abbreviation and denotation relating to this kind of problem, let us begin solving our question by writing equation to every condition given to us. So I'll be taking the names of people which are as A, C, E and so on as X, and their watches as Sonata, Titan, Timex, etc. as Y. Of course, they do not correspond to each other. Our step is of 45 degree and left is minus and right is plus, because the people are facing outward. So let's begin. So our first condition is G sits second to the left of M. Now over here I have written 90 because it is written second left, that means twice of 45, and minus denotes the left sign. Okay. Second condition is J is immediate neighbor of Y, that means Xj is equal to Xy plus minus 45. Third condition is Y doesn't sit next to G. Well, Xy is not sitting next to G. Remember guys, plus minus denotes both left and right. Fourth condition is N is third left of G. That is Xn is third left. Yeah, this means left means minus and third left means thrice of 45, that is 135. Fifth condition is C likes Casio. Xc Y Casio. Okay. And sixth is J and N are immediate neighbors. J and N are immediate neighbors. Seventh condition is A sit immediate left to the person who likes sonata. That means Xa is equal to Y sonata. It shows left, so minus, and immediate left means 45. Eighth condition is the person who likes Titan sits between N and one who likes Rolex. So that means Y Titan is going to be neighbor of N, and Y Titan is also the neighbor of Rolex. Minus plus 45. Over here there is plus minus and here minus plus, which is indicating that if we use plus over here, then we have to use minus over there. Of course, if this is on right, then this is going to be on left, and vice versa. Let's jump to ninth condition. E doesn't like omega or maxima. That means Xc doesn't like omega and Xc doesn't like maxima. Person who likes Casio sits between the person who likes maxima and omega respectively. So it is somewhat like this only. Casio is going to be Y maxima plus minus 45, and Y Casio is also equal to Y omega minus plus 45. Then our 11th equation is going to be E and G are immediate neighbors. That means E, G are immediate neighbors. 12th condition is M doesn't like fast track. So M doesn't like fast track. 13th condition is N doesn't like Timex or maxima. That means Nx is not equal to Y Timex and Xn is not equal to Y maxima. So guys, these are the 13 conditions which are given to us. Now if we didn't write these kind of equation, it gets very heavy to restore all this information at the time of examination. So when you are sitting in competitive exams, you can write these kind of equation and use your basic algebra to equate out the values or the relation between the different members or the different watches which are kept around the table. So guys, if you want to see how I use these kind of equation to solve this question, you can watch my second video of this, the second part of this video, this link to which I have added in the description below. So guys, thank you for watching. Also, please subscribe to the channel. Your subscription is very motivating. See you guys. Signing out.